Hey guys, in today's video I am going to show you few very simple steps to make the drainage holes in plastic container. Now I got these questions few times and that's why I just decided to do a very small video sharing how I do it actually. Now if you have been watching few of my videos, then you would see that all of my pots have way too many drainage holes, and let me tell you that I did not do any of those drainage holes, and all are done by the manufacturer itself. But sometimes whenever you buy other kind of plastic container, I am 100% sure that many of them are not going to have similar kind of drainage holes. Anyway, you really don't have to worry. Just take a look at the bottom part of the container and you are going to find some spot, mainly the circle spot, and right there you would be able to make the drainage holes very easily. You just need a hammer and a screwdriver with a pointed end, and you can just do the way I am doing right now. As you can see, I just made 6 drainage holes in just less than 1 minute, and this is the very simple way to make the drainage holes in plastic container. Whenever I use any kind of plastic container, I always make more than 1 drainage holes, and I would recommend you to do the same thing. Because see, plastic container holds the water for more amount of time comparing to any clay pot, and if you are like me, I mean love your watering your plants a lot, then there is a high chance of overwatering, and that's why I always do more than 1 drainage holes. And if you haven't tried it yet, please do once, and I am 100% sure that you are going to see the difference very soon. There is one more advantage of having more than a single drainage holes. See, a good airflow would be maintained in a pot having more drainage holes comparing to a pot having single drainage hole. And good airflow means roots are going to get sufficient oxygen, and that way your plant would be growing well and it would be blooming well. Okay, let's take a look at the second method, and for this you would need a drill machine. It's really very simple as you are looking right now, but please be extremely careful if you are making a drainage hole in a small container. As you already saw, it was about to slip, and that's why please be extremely careful while using the drill machine. And finally the last method, and this is the old way of making drainage holes, which is still one of my favorite way to make drainage holes in plastic container. You just need a screwdriver with a pointed end, hit it up with the gas burner, and then simply make the drainage holes. But again, please be careful and make sure that you are not touching the melting part of the plastic container. So guys, these are the 3 different ways to make the drainage holes in plastic container, and please let me know which one is your favorite. And if you have some more ideas, please feel free to share with us so that many viewers along with myself can learn a new idea from you. Thank you very much for taking your valuable time to watch the video. I truly appreciate it, and if you found the video useful, then please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and many thanks for doing that. Thank you once again. Have a great day.